Okay, now what is it? Hey, at least the meat in the ER10 went off. What are you screaming about? What happened? Piece of shit. Shut up! Excuse me! Why did you go off? Oh, you piece of fucking shit. Please tell me you went off. What is your fucking problem with not going off?
Cuyahoga Falls, Barber Truck.
You went off. You did not go off.
Louisville, Mogador, Hartsfield, New Franklin, Norton, Fair Lawn, Monroe Falls, Lakemore, Silver Lake, East Kenton, Myers Lake, Hills and Dales and Uniontown. Turn around. Don't drive when encountering flooded roads.
You went off. You went off. You two went off, actually. You didn't go off. You didn't go off. That's weird. You two went off.
Flood warning has been issued until 2:45
No.
a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties in Ohio.
Flash flood warning. No, that was fucking unexpected.
Urgent weather message. Flood watch remains in effect through Thursday morning.
What's this fucking flash flood warning?
Flash flooding caused.
You went off. You went off. Where are the ones that went off? You two went off. You two went off. You went off. And you went off. Fuck, you didn't fucking go off. You didn't go off. I have no clue why this guy didn't go off. He's supposed to always go off. But he just didn't fucking... Today's the day he chose not to. That's fucking... You go, you wanna... Fuck, okay. Those two went off. Those two. These two fucking went off. This guy went off. This guy did not. This guy did not go off. He did not go off. He didn't fucking go off. This one never goes off, and no clue why. This guy didn't go off. He didn't go off. He didn't go off. He's a dead capacitor. This guy didn't go off. These two went off. These are the best ones.
http://www.weather.gov/safety/
I'm glad I heard the I'm glad I heard the ER50 go off, or ER10 or ER50. I don't know, one of them.
What? Urban and small stream flooding.